Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the name, location or other details of a particular place on the Google Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now click on the contribute icon down below, which is the fourth option. Now you should click on the first one saying edit map, indicated by this pencil icon. Tap on the first one, add or fix a place. Then click on the second option, change name or other details. Now you should use the map and select a place that you would like to fix or edit or add information about it. Press the button next. And now you will be directed to a page where you can place the details of that particular area or place, or at least suggest an edit. So you can type in the name of the place, the address, the hours, telephone number, link of their website, and also more information such as the opening dates, and you can also add pictures of that photo. So if you are done with all these steps and you are done with typing in all these data and information and would like to suggest your edit, just tap on the button submit down below, thereby finishing this process. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.